Hello everyone, my name is Tejaswini and I am studying in 10th standard in Adarsh Vidyalaya Badami. Today I am going to explain you about punctuation marks. What are punctuation marks and why we use punctuation marks. So before going to the topic, what if we does not use punctuation marks while we are writing? So let us compare two paragraphs. In the first paragraph, I didn't use punctuation marks. In the second paragraph, I have used punctuation marks. Read them properly. In the first paragraph, you can't understand anything well. In the second paragraph, you can understand everything well. I hope you understood well why we use punctuation marks. Because using punctuation marks in our writing helps the reader to clearly understand the message that is being conveyed. These marks primarily helps to indicate the pauses and emphasis on certain ideas or thoughts that are discussed in the text. So let us have a list of punctuation marks. So those punctuation marks are comma, colon, semicolon, period, which is also called as full point, question mark, slash, hyphen, exclamation marks, ellipsis, square brackets, apostrophe, parenthesis, quotation marks and dash. So let us know briefly about them. So our first punctuation mark is full point. It is used at the end of an assertive sentence. It is also used in between the short forms. It is also used at the end of an imperative sentence. So the second punctuation mark is question mark. You know where it is used? Yes, it is used at the end of an interrogative sentence and it is also used at the end of an question tag. Third punctuation mark is exclamation mark. Exclamation mark is used at the end of exclamatory sentence or exclamatory word. So the fourth punctuation mark is comma. Do you know where to use comma? Comma is used while we are making list. Comma is used before question tag and it is also used after reporting speech. So the next punctuation mark is colon. Colon is used while taking summary. Teacher is a word. The information written after it is summary of that word. So I have used colon in between them. Next punctuation mark is semicolon. Semicolon are used to separate two main clauses that are closely related to each other but they could stand on their own as sentences. Here there are two main clauses which they are close to each other, so I have used semicolon in between them. So fifth punctuation mark is hyphen. It is used in between prefixes and the root word. It is used in compound words. Next punctuation mark is apostrophe. Apostrophe is used for possessives. Apostrophe is used in short forms or contractions. So the last punctuation mark is double inverted comma or quotation marks. Quotation marks are primarily helps to indicate or highlight important words. It is used in direct speech or it is used to highlight non-English words. So here we have given non-punctuated lines. So let us punctuate them. So the first sentence is exclamatory sentence. I have told you in exclamatory sentence we have to use exclamatory mark. I am is a short form, so we have to use apostrophe in between them. I like Veena, Lata, Rama and Suma. So here is a list of persons, so we have to use comma in between them. Stethoscope device used to check heartbeat sound. Stethoscope is a device, and the summary written after it is information about that thing. So we have to use colon after stethoscope. We have punctuated those lines. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, my name is Tejaswini.